G'day guys, Hayden Quinn here. Today we're cooking some banana Choctella muffins. They're super simple, they're quick, they're easy. Plus, they're from my book, Surfing the Menu, Next Generation, so check it out. I guess the inspiration for this dish came from our time in Bundaberg where there's lush, beautiful bananas growing everywhere. So we've incorporated some bananas in the dish. First thing we've got to do is we've got some diced butter. That's going to go into our stand mixer, plus some honey. The thing that I love about honey is it gives it a different sort of taste, and you're not using your refined sugars, it's more of a natural sweetener. Whisk it with the whisk attachment until it gets nice and light and fluffy. What I'm going to do now is just increase the speed just slightly, and as I do that I'm going to add one egg at a time. I've added one, I'm just going to increase the mix just a little bit, reduce it down, second egg goes in. Okay, that's looking nice and well incorporated. And we have our bananas, 3 really ripe bananas that I've mashed up with a fork. While the banana's incorporating, I'm also going to add in a little bit of our Nutella. Okay, for the dry ingredients, we're going to do a quick pinch of salt with our self-raising flour. Just got a little sieve, I'm going to sift that through. And now with a nice rubber spatula, just gently fold that all through. So if you don't have a patty pan, what you can use is baking paper. We've just cut it into sort of, nice squares. You give it a fold and then just push it straight in to your muffin tin, and that acts as a nice case. Sort of got that cafe look as well. A couple of tablespoons. All you want to do is just scoop it out. Don't go crazy, you can always add more. And spoon it into your muffin tins, okay? And then, the best bit, a swirl of Nutella just over the top. You can swirl, you can dollop, you can do whatever you want. Chuck as much as you like. Just again, getting a little teaspoon, putting it on the top, give it a little push in through the mix. Super simple, goes into an oven preheated 170 degrees. We're gonna cook them for about 25 to 30 minutes or until you put a skewer in and it comes out clean. So these are going in the oven. All right, these are looking epic. We've let them sit in the tin for about 5 minutes and we'll leave them on the wire rack to cool fully. They smell so good. You can smell the chocolate, you can smell the banana. Definite winner. I think the whole family's gonna love this one. And the Nutella on the top's amazing, the banana's great. And for more great recipes, make sure you check out delicious.com.au.